I am an innocent, God-fearing, tax-paying citizen of India who's been falsely accused of an offense. What are the things that I should be mindful of? Number one, you need to figure out whether this is a bailable offense or a non-bailable offense. If it's a bailable offense, nothing to worry about. If it's a non-bailable offense, you need to first and foremost go and coordinate with the investigating officer, preferably through your lawyer. I've talked about in other videos why this is important. Your lawyer goes and coordinates with the investigating officer, after which, if you figure out that the investigating officer does not want to arrest you, then you move forward. But if the investigating officer does want to arrest you, you need to immediately apply for anticipatory bail. Otherwise, you will spend, God knows, days, weeks, months, years in custody. So you get anticipatory bail, and if you don't get anticipatory bail after trying with the Sessions Court, the High Court, and the Supreme Court, you then surrender and you then go for regular bail. Get bail as soon as possible. After that, the police will hopefully have a charge sheet which shows your innocence as well. Oftentimes they do not. If they are not putting your evidence in the charge sheet, you must move an application for monitoring of investigation so that you have a strong charge sheet, and I'll explain in a second why. After the charge sheet is filed, you go for quashing of the charge sheet if your proof is also there, and if otherwise you're able to convince the High Court that it's a good case to be quashed, because otherwise the trial will go on for several years. If the matter is quashed, fantastic. If it is not, then you proceed with the trial where you give your evidence and most importantly prepare for the strongest possible cross-examination of the complainant. After that, you have a strong statement of defense and then you present your final arguments. Again, keep it strong, keep it tight, do not let loose or slack off at any moment, and hopefully you will be a free man.